So I have a story about that, but I just got those coilovers only because I don't know if you saw the previous video that I recently uploaded about a week ago, I believe. Well, whenever you see this, I have a video of me getting a new motor for my Mustang, and I was gonna buy it from him, but he wants my air setup to trade for the motor, so that's what I'm doing. So I ended up buying these coilovers, which I ran them before on my Mustang, but that's not the reason why I'm actually making this video. Is because these is what I actually bought from the website Alibaba, which I don't know the company, but yes, I got these from Alibaba. Yes, I know I just repeated myself. Anyways, so I'm actually gonna install these, and next week when I go meet up with the guy to trade my air suspension, I had to take a 3-hour drive because I got to meet him at my father-in-law's house because he's dropping off the motor over there where we have, well, my father-in-law has a shop, and he said I could store the motor over there. So I'm going to take these for a 3-hour drive to see how comfortable they are, to see if they're really worth it. But I did sat on them the other day, and they are comfortable, and they hug me, and I'm 5'10", about 180. So, and I have a big back, not because I'm big, only because I work out and I get a lot of compliments on my back. So when I don't show my face or my body, only because insecurities. But anyways, they are comfortable when I sat in them, and the only reason why I haven't made a video because I'm waiting on the brackets, and I know a lot of people are going to, well, not that many people comment on my videos, but anyways, and if they do, people, from what I saw, leave a lot of negative comments about Alibaba, especially Chinese manufacturers, or whatever, how you pronounce that word, say a lot of negative things. But anyways, I would do a closer video, since right now they're bagged up, of course, because I don't want to take them out of the bag just yet until I get my brackets, which are coming in here in a little bit. But yeah, I just wanted to just give y'all a little update on these seats. I don't know if y'all saw the short or not video that I posted, but as always, I do everything here at my shop, and I do installs. But yeah, when brackets come in towards the end of the day for me and instant for y'all, I will put these in, and the following week I will go on a test drive to see how comfortable they are for a 3-hour drive. But yeah, let me go ahead and get back to y'all, and I'll give y'all a better close-up video without the bags being on. But yeah, see y'all in a little bit. All right, guys, so I just brought in the Mustang, and I just wanted to show you the passenger side. Like I said, I'm still working on it, so don't mind this. But yeah, so they're real comfortable. My friend sat in it, and he's about 220. They do hug me, I tell you that much. Don't mind my car. I need a, yeah, if you seen the new Edge, you seen them all, right? But yeah, they hug me, I tell you that much. And yeah, they're sturdy. I just need to get better bolts, because I feel like they need to be better. But yeah, I'm trying to keep up with the appearance of keeping OEM seats, but man, they're hard to come by, and getting them repost, whatever, I can't pronounce that word, but to get them redone, I know it's a lot. I think somebody quoted me like $1,800. I was like, yeah, I'm not doing all that. But let me go install the driver's side, and I'll get a better video. What is going on? So I just installed my seats, and they look great. They sit a little high for me though, but I'm okay with that though. And they hug me. Like I said, I just need to get better screws, and we'll go from there. But I do need to bypass the seatbelt, because I know I'm going to hear the chime, and that's something that's going to really bug me. So other than that, I'm going to have to figure that out later on during the day. But let me show you real quick. Let me show you. So yeah, don't mind the dirt. These actually fit great, and they snug very, oh, sorry, let me zoom out. Yeah, they snug me. Like I said, I have a big bag from working out, and these things fit great. I am going to take them for a test drive, but like I said, I actually am going to bypass the chime. Maybe there's a fuse, but I know that the wire that hooks up to the seat belt or the little controls, the jigma thing, I know the jigma thing, I just can't think. I'm a fast talker. But anyways, I'm gonna run around the block and see how they feel, and then I'm gonna go park my car and then probably come back at the end of the day to let y'all know if I find out about the wire. But if not, then I'm gonna have to figure something out. But yeah, but those seats over there, man, they were gone. I mean, when I say gone, like, well, I don't want to say gone, I've seen worse, but yeah, they're okay condition. I might sell them. Maybe somebody might buy them. Probably sell them for $100. Who knows? But maybe they can get reupholsterated. I don't even know if that's even a word. But yeah, I'm gonna run my car around the block. Hopefully these people are not blocking me over there. I always get blocked by discount. But anyways, I'm gonna run around the block and actually see how they feel. Because right now, when I sat in them, they felt really great. They sit high. I wish I had that jigama thing, the seat recliner, whatever it's called. I don't know. I talk fast, and plus I'm at work and I'm trying to get things done too. So anyways, let me go around the block and actually see how it feels. All right, guys, so like I said, I'm going for a test drive. I should have pointed that out from the beginning, but yeah, I sit up pretty high, man. So maybe I can get some low profile brackets, seat brackets, and maybe that would help. Because man, I feel really weird, man. And get into gear. Yeah, but I'm sitting up high. Like, I feel like my head's gonna touch the roof. But other than that, they feel great, knowing that they came from the website Alibaba. Like I said, Alibaba is like an Chinese eBay, I guess. I don't know. I can't really point that out, but I just know that I just got them from the website, and oh my God, I'm not in gear. Okay, there we go. So yeah, they're real comfortable. And like I said, I know I'm gonna repeat myself in this video. They snug, and I know a lot of people are probably going to be like, oh, you know, Chinese knockoff. It's probably like the same thing as Amazon seats, probably. How much I paid for them? I paid $850 for them, but they're real comfortable. Like I said, I just sit up high and they hug me. I need to somehow figure out how to, well, I don't want to say figure out, I need to adjust the seats to my liking. But I am going on, well, I take that back. I'm not going on the trip after all. I'm not taking the car because going to go see my father-in-law, my wife wants to go, so we're going to end up taking her car and going out of town to go get that motor, or not go get it, but the motor is going to be taken to my father-in-law's, his shop. But let me go, well, actually I take that back. I don't have to bypass the seatbelt chirp. I guess when I unhooked the harness from the seats, it turned off, so I don't have to deal with that. The only thing is probably about the, what is it? How do I want to say it? Maybe the airbag. Sorry, I'm over here. This car, that red car now is parked in my spot now. I used to be parked under the tree, but a lot of birds were pooping all over my car, and I did not like that. So I also am going to get new carpets for this car. Oh my gosh, the only thing that sucks is getting out. But yeah, these are them. I'm pretty high sitting forward towards the steering wheel. But other than that, man, I'm actually digging it. I'm actually liking it. I know I'm probably going to get a lot of, well, like I said, nobody really comments on my videos anyways, but from what I saw from Alibaba, a lot of people are bashing them, and a lot of people are saying that, you know, they're gonna fail within the year, or if I get into a car wreck, they're not gonna hold me. I'm gonna go out the window. Well, I'm not going out the window, but a lot of people, well, who knows, if I don't make another video anytime soon, I probably did get into a car wreck and they didn't hold me up. But anyways, I see a lot of remarks and a lot of comments about, man, I need to fix that. A lot of comments about they're cheap, they're not great. Once you get into an accident, you're gonna fall out of the seat, whatever, it's not gonna hold you, yada yada yada, all the negatives about Chinese seats. But I'm loving them, I'm liking it. They fit great, they snug me, it's a little high. I do know that they do have low profile seat brackets. I might look into those. I'm gonna get better bolts. And so far with the quality, it's kind of hard to get in and out. That's the only thing. It sucks, but other than that, I'm actually liking it. I'm loving it. You know, I can actually get there. Maybe I just gotta scoot this a little bit more up. But getting out of it sucks. But I know you gotta turn your whole body to get out of the car anyways. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for everything. I will make a video about the motor when I get it at my father-in-law's house. I also am going to put coilovers. I'm actually getting off of bags, but I will talk about that later on during the video. Well, not this video. I will talk about that once I get to my father-in-law's in 2 weeks. Like I said, the guy wanted to trade the motor for my air setup, and I wanted to get off of bags. But the reason why I'm getting off of bags is because I'm tired of the compressors. I know there's some quiet ones out there, and I have the fear of popping a bag, which if you see in my previous videos, I'm always either not popping a bag. Something's always going on with the air suspension, and that's the downfall about it. So I am also going to daily drive this car, and I have a lot of things coming to the channel. It's just going to take time, but I really do appreciate every single one of y'all. Thank y'all so much, and I will see you on the next one. And remember, buy it, build it, show it. Peace.